Today we're going to have a discussion about aggressive patience. And this is what this truck represents, is aggressive patience. This truck has been 9 months in the making. What we're talking about today is our broker services. We haven't touched on that a whole lot in depth, but we're going to talk about it today. So before we get into it, we have a 2021 G63 with the Iridium Silver and saddle tan interior, carbon fiber trim, sport steering wheel, 37,000 miles on the clock. It's a specific request by a specific customer. What it means when we broker a G-Wagon for somebody. Often, this is a big purchase for you. This is a dream. This is a childhood fantasy coming to life that you're finally at that point in life where you can have one of these in your garage, but you're not quite sure which one to get. We offer a service where you can call us and we have a form that we fill out based on your preferences, needs, wants, and desires for your G-Wagon, based on colors, specs, mileage, budget, and overall motif. And we get to work for you finding you your correct G-Wagon. Now, we do charge a flat fee for that, but we're 100% transparent. Whether we buy it wholesale, auction, private party, dealer, etc., we pass that cost exactly. We know exactly what it is. We just put our fee on top of it, so there's no misinterpretation on that. This one is an interesting one because this one was 9 months in the making. Apparently, there's not a lot of Iridium Silvers with saddle tan interior, with carbon fiber, with the sport steering wheel out there. I think we saw one or two others in our search, but all of them were either high mileage, accident history, poor ownership, or etc. And I want to touch on that also because we are very, very, very picky on the types of vehicles that we vet and bring into our service room here. So for this particular client, we needed to have a clean truck, clean Carfax, single owner history or good history on that. And once we found this one, it took 9 months to get it, we snapped it up right away. And the way that works is we conference with the client, we make sure that this is exactly what they want. We give them 360 walk around photos. Being as this one was on the other side of the United States, we actually FaceTimed with the general manager of the dealership that had it, make sure that it was 100% legit. We looked at all the paperwork, and oftentimes we will have a third party go and inspect each vehicle before we pull the trigger on it. And everything checked out finally on this. After 9 months, we said, this is the one. So we got the funds transferred over. We got the vehicle picked up and brought into our facility. We did a couple maintenance items on it. I think we did some brakes. One of the step boards had a little funkiness to it. We squared that away and just did some services on it, and here we are. Customer actually flies in this afternoon to pick this thing up and drive it through the Rocky Mountains on a little vacation and then go home. So that's really special for us because we get to meet them face to face. But I wanted to touch on that because it's really important. A lot of you, we've talked about our broker services, and some of you we've been able to find trucks very, very quickly for, and some of you have been waiting for a little bit of time, especially those looking for the 13 to 15 Holy Grail G550 naturally aspirated. Well, in one of my previous videos almost a year ago, I said that they're mostly all gone. Well, that's only gotten worse. They're still out there though. You really have to search far and wide to find good ones. So with that said, it is a service that we offer for people to find them their own specific truck, whether you're looking for a late model G63 or 550, or even an older 55 or 550 or 63, or even an old 500, or even if you come to me and say, hey, I want an early cabriolet or something really rare and special, you definitely want to call me because I have my hands on a lot of those. The point I'm trying to make is we are very particular with what we find, and I want to put it out there that you're not going to have an immediate result unless I get really, really lucky, and it's happened a few times. But it usually takes some time. Usually about a month or so is the average time frame. Sometimes it goes up to 2-3 months. This is a rare exception, but more than happy to do that for you. Again, we want to have that discussion with you back and forth so we know exactly what we're looking for, so we can find you the right truck and we present you with good viable options up front. Hats off to Connor. He was diligent on this. I know his process. He had a alarm set, so in the morning he spends about an hour going through his list of clients and searching his usual spots to find trucks. And then he has a spot in the afternoon where he sits down and goes through the search again because things change daily. I have a similar process, but it just takes time, consistency, and diligence to find the right truck. And then when you find one, it takes a lot of time to have it inspected, to do your walkarounds, to have set up third parties, set up logistics and transport and handle all the paperwork and documents. So one of the reasons this truck was very specific and very hard to find is a combination of iridium silver and saddle tan. As you see, it's got the two-tone saddle tan with the black inlays. These are the dynamic seats, so they are multi-contour and they will actively bolster and all the things. Also has a cool AMG sport steering wheel. This thing is, for lack of better words, awesome. It's one of my favorite steering wheels with the flat bottom. It just feels really, really good in your hands. With the carbon fiber trim, it's a really sharp look and really rich at the same time. It's always interesting with G-Wagons because you either have wood trim, piano black, or carbon. But this particular mix with the saddle and the carbon just looks exceedingly rich. And I really do love tan interior. Tan and red are my two favorites. Anyway, this combo with the exterior is why this was so special. As you see, it looks like the other Gs from 19 through 24. This is a 21 model year. This is a great place to be. It's very comfortable. You can take long road trips. It even has a dark Alcantara headliner as well. It's very rich. One of the things we are doing for a lot of our clients is upgrading the command system with a module that allows you to have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. It is actually a really nice upgrade. It is seamless and there's no loss in audio quality or phone integration. There's two ways you can go. You can go full touchscreen or you could just have the module and still use the rotary knob here. So lots of good options there. We really like it, but this is a really clean truck with 37,000 miles on it and no real signs of wear at all. Back seat's never been sat in, passenger seat's never been sat in, and it looks like a lease turn in really. So that's what the inside looks like. Under the hood, we'll do a quick walk around. Okay, as with every Mercedes, it has a motor. And it's Dieter Morgel, whoever that guy is. I always like to collect the names on these. It's kind of fun. Anyway, enough said. It's clean. It works. Fully serviced. We went through the history on it. No issues there. These do come with the 22-inch wheels. These are cool looking wheels. We like these. And tires are in great shape. Brakes are in great shape. We actually put back brakes on this just to make sure that they're 100%. But overall, it's a very clean truck. Iridium Silver, it also has all the stuff blacked out on it. So you don't have chrome. You've got the black front brush guard and you've got the little black accents throughout too. So overall, really, really nice truck. And again, this is something that we offer. It's a broker service that if you have something specific in mind, we can make it happen. Sometimes it happens fast when we get really lucky. Sometimes you have to be a little bit patient. That's why the title of this is Aggressive Patience. Anyway, this is the end result of 9 months of diligence, dedication, and finding the exact truck for the client that's going to suit his needs, wants, and desires. And I hope he's happy when he gets here in about, 2.5 hours to pick this thing up. Joe Gocher, nothing but G's, Alliance Motorworks here in Loveland, Colorado. Give us a shout or shoot us an email. Let us know what you're looking for, and we're happy to broker something for you.